Hello guys, it's Colin Siva right here and you are welcome to Forex Success. So today guys, I want to show you an account. So I want to show you my trades. These are the trades I took on this account for Volatility 10 index. As you can see guys, they are all on massive profit. So I took this trade that was from October 8th. Yeah, I took this trade on October 8th and I shared this trade as well on the group chat, exactly on the group chat for everyone to take this trade out with us. So if you are not in the group, make sure you immediately join. So I'm gonna be closing the trades right now. I'm gonna be closing them. Yeah, I just want to secure $1,000 on this account and then I'll leave the trade running. I know the market, the Vix10 is still gonna drop, like it's still gonna go more to the downside. So that will actually give me more opportunity to add more positions to this trade. I could have just hold. I mean, I've been holding since 8th of October, which makes it about that's 8 days of holding this trade. And guys, we are profiting. You can see this account from $9 and you can see a profit of $8,300, guys. This is good for real. We have made about over how many percent I can't even say, guys. So this is what we do right here on Forex Success. For real, we're doing it right. So right now I'm gonna hold this trade and squeeze out more profit from it. So on any pullback, I'm gonna be adding good positions to it. Already I know the trade is still going down on my favor. I just do the analysis from a higher time frame, so I'm able to project where this market is going to. You can see the red line I spotted, I marked right here. That is my target for this trade. At least the market is gonna get there. Yeah, so I've been holding this trade all the way from the upside and I'm still taking it all the way to the downside. You can see $9, guys, from an account of $9, making it over to $1,000+ so this is what we do. Like, we've done it many times and we still keep on doing it, you get. So that's it, guys. So you just get the knowledge. Okay, what am I going to introduce to you guys? Okay, good news for you guys. We're starting up our mentorship program. Which is Forex Success Academy. From the registration is gonna start from October 28th. So do yourself good to join. You can see this is it on our group chat. Do yourself good, guys, to join the program and enjoy trading at the fullest. Enjoy trading with ease. So this is our group chat, guys. Sorry. Let me clear myself up. Okay, so I just want to show you when I gave the signal for this trade. I shared this trade with you guys on 8th of October. So a lot of you guys immediately took the trade. A lot of persons were sending me a screenshot of profits that they are making. Like, guys, it just feels so good when all you do is just to click the button. You just click the button and then you can go anywhere and do whichever work you are doing. So that means you can also you can walk anywhere, you get. So you just click the button and then go and do whatever work or your job, go to your business and do whatever you want to do to make money for yourself. Why your trade is just making money, or you just come and look at it, smile. If it's actually a very good time for you to add more position, you just add, you get. So that's just how easy and convenient it can be, guys, when you know how to trade on a higher time frame. That's when you see the big picture. So that's what you're going to be learning, guys, on the Forex Success Academy. So you can see I gave the signal Vix10. I sold Vix10. I kept on updating them, guys. I kept on updating on how the trade is moving. You can see we had profit of $21. Kept on updating them how the trade is moving. You see, we kept on pushing to the downside and we kept on holding. 9th of October, we're still holding this trade. We're getting higher profits. You get, sitting in front of the computer, no fear, no stress, no heartbreaks, but we are still making money. So this is what I got to learn, guys, and I'm still sharing the same knowledge with you guys. So what I'm saying is that you should be prepared to join the academy October 28th. It's a lifetime mentorship and the fee is $200. Yes, it's a lifetime mentorship. We're going to be having Zoom calls. You're going to have my WhatsApp number where you can also contact me. Tell me what you don't understand. Tell me what you want to learn, and I'm going to teach you there. You're going to understand it. Definitely. Like, I want to see you I want to see you trading the easiest way possibly. Forex is not hard. I don't want to say it's hard. It's hard if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know how to do it. It's easy when you know how to do it. For real, it's easy when you know how to do it. We know it's not 100% thing, but it's easy when you know how to do it. So this is it. You just learn how to trade. This is my biggest testimony. Is that my biggest testimony from this academy is that you'll be able to trade the easiest way possible. Like, forex will be made easy in front of you. So that's just it on Forex Success. Yeah, so guys, make sure you get ready for this. So we kept on holding that trade, and then we're doing good, and we're moving on. So before I also give you the other info, I would also like you to make sure to hit the red subscribe button. Yes, please do that. Hit that red subscribe button for me and follow our Telegram group. You can see, if you're not following our Telegram group, that means you will miss this trade. Yes, you miss this trade. You miss this opportunity. I mean, it comes once in a while. It's not always. Like, I don't trade always, but at least if I want to trade, I will know I'm trading something good. I'm trading something big. You get? So that's just what I'm saying. So this is just one of the account which I'm actually using to show you this video. $300 turned to $1,000. So think about what $3,000 will be turned to. You get? So this is what we're talking about. So okay, so another good service which we are going to be rendering is the account management. Yeah, if you don't want to trade for yourself, you don't have the time or anything making you not to trade for yourself, this is a consistent way of making money. Account management. So your minimum equity or your minimum balance has to be $1,000, then a dairy synthetic, and then you're going to be making 20% profit target. 20% profit target, which is 20% monthly. We can get more than that. It can be more than that, but it won't be less than that. So 20%, we're promising the investors 20% because we want to trade with the best risk management possibly. 20% monthly. Yes, 20% monthly for account management. Exactly. So if you're interested, make sure you DM me. My link for Telegram is at the description. Also, the link to my Instagram account is also at the description below. Guys, your funds are safe with us right here, Forex Success. It's safe, so you can just DM an option in for account management. The minimum balance is $1,000. You can bring more as much as you can, but it shouldn't be less than $1,000. So it's all on percentage. So if you're bringing $1,000, means you should be making 20% of that $1,000. If you're trading with $100,000, means you are making 20% of that $100,000. So that's just how it is. You can see, guys, right now we have a very juicy opportunity on volatility 25 index, which I'm just patiently looking at it. I'm just waiting for it to give me that commitment. Yes, that, hey, Collins, I want to drop. I know it's gonna drop, but I'm just waiting for you to tell me, okay, it's time, trade me. Yeah, you get? So I'm just waiting for you to just give me that commitment, and I'm gonna jump on it and squeeze it all the way to the downside. So I'm just waiting for it to just give me that commitment, then I jump in and squeeze it, guys. As simple as that. Like, I don't have to sit in front of my computer daily and trade and buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and then cry, laugh, cry, smile, cry, smile. Like, it's just so frustrating. I just want to wait. The patient dog, and grab that